Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. We are here once again for another quick mail unboxing. So today is April 10, 2022. End of the day here in the Philippines. It's been a tiring day because today is my firstborn son's baptismal. So thank you for all my friends, relatives, and other individuals who joined us to celebrate this milestone in our son's journey to Christianity. So, to my lovely boy, welcome to the Christian world. So, it was quite a tiring day, fun but tiring. So, got to meet people who I haven't seen personally for 2 years because of the pandemic. Okay, so and we need to unwind, and luckily we have here our distressor. So we ship not shifted but shipped some boosters. Okay, and these boosters were from our recent case break in Pinoy Heroclix community. So I have it open. So thank you to Kennard for facilitating this, and of course to Anton and to other individuals I had to go trade with or buy some items. Okay, this also includes the prices from the recent half sealed War of the Realms and retiring tournament. So if you want to know the result of that, you can take a look at my other videos for that particular tournament. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's see what we have here on our box, or not box, but on our paper bag. So we have here, yeah. Okay, we have here 3 boosters of Heroclix Avengers War of the Realms. Okay, so I have a pretty good idea of what's inside, but I want to show you guys my Heroclix hauls for the last couple of weeks. So let's go with this one first. Okay, and let's see. Okay, and this one is boom. Oh, so this one we have here the War of the Realms rare Wasp and the rare Moon Knight. Okay, so I traded for these 2 items super rare Kitty Pryde from the Avengers Fantastic Four Empire set. Okay, so thank you Kennard for the trade, and we're not gonna go through the cards. Okay, this is going to be a quick video, but let's take a look at the card. Okay, so Wasp has the recruiter for the Avengers keyword, and she has 60 points with this dial. Okay, she's fine. And then of course we have here Moon Knight. So Moon Knight is a hot character right now because of the new Disney Plus series. Okay, so take a look at that details in the eyes, and let's see whether that's also in the figure. Yeah, so red eyes, Moon Knight. Okay, that's his card, and then combat values, wild card, and then yeah. Okay, would have loved it if the special attack power was on the first clip. Okay, but nonetheless, hot character Moon Knight. Oops, daisy. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the next one. Okay, so this one is heavy, so let's leave that for last. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, I see a bunch of War of the Realms figures. We have the common Captain America, the common Scarlet Witch, rare Captain Marvel, and who's this? We have a Thor. We have the uncommon Thor and Hulk common. So this looks like an Avengers booster. Okay, so yeah, so history of this is I asked for other people if they have duplicates of Captain America and Hulk, so I was able to get them for free, if I'm not mistaken. So thank you for this, Anton and Kennard, I think. And then I traded a bunch of items as well. Okay, I'm not so sure, but I think most of this I got as freebie. Okay, I'm really glad to have the Scarlet Witch, although she doesn't have unfortunately, the X-Men keyword for this particular iteration of the Scarlet Witch. Let me confirm. Okay, but I always see her as an X-Men. Okay, so yeah, she only has Avengers, Latveria, Young Avengers, and Mystical. So anyway, I pulled a card of Scarlet Witch in my in my other case break, but unfortunately it did not come with the figure. So I'm happy to get a Scarlet Witch figure now. Okay, so the Scarlet Witch. Okay, let's take a look at the rare. Captain Marvel, recruiter for the Kree, and yeah. Okay, 11, 12, 18, 4 with prob for 100 points. Okay, the Hulk is good in terms of sculpt. Okay, and then this store is really store is really strong. 11, 18, 4. Okay, I feel this is a very strong Thor for 125 points. Okay, so interesting. All of them are Avengers. So, including Wasp and Moon Knight. That should be, yeah, Moon Knight's also an Avenger. So, that should be interesting for an Avengers team. Although, I'm not a big fan of making an Avengers team because I'm an X-Men team, and yeah, we have Avengers versus X-Men. Okay, and finally the last one. Okay, what's this? Okay, can you read this? Is it my name? JM. Okay. Anyway, so let's take a look. Okay. Hurry, I have to it's taking quite a while to take off this tape. And then I'm just gonna take off the entire thing if it won't take off the tape. Okay, let's see what we have here. This should be fun. This should be from the last case break. So a brick break. We got one brick, and then I got one slot for that break, and I pulled pretty amazing. Okay, we have the Black Widow, another Avengers, Hercules. Oh, no, the legacy card is a different story. I'll tell you in a while. Okay, War Star as well from Empire is not part of the story. This is the Enchantress, and that is the booster pull of the brick. Okay, so I pulled the super rare Prime Gamora meta piece, and then Loki common. So this is exactly the booster I pulled. No trades here. Okay, so super happy. Although I don't have an Asgardian team, but definitely looking to trade this Gamora for an X-Men figure that I don't have, or a future X-Men figure. Okay, but until then, I can still have fun with Gamora. I've tried her online, and she is really a good piece. Okay, I'm even thinking of making either an Asgardian or a Guardians of the Galaxy team for her. Okay, she's that good. Okay, sculpt is amazing. Okay, but let's take a look at the other ones. Let's take a look at the card first, whether everything is in order as they should. So, Gamora Prime. Enchantress is a guardian. Let's see. A Prob and TK. So, she probably would pair up nicely with Gamora. And then Hercules is Avengers. And Guardians of the Galaxy, possibly, for Gamora. Not so much. Black Widow is Avengers. And Loki is Asgardian. Let's take a look at Loki. Yeah. So this would also pair up nicely with Gamora. So yeah, but that's my first Loki. So I think we need 4 more Lokis. Okay. Yeah. So to be able to maximize the the mechanic of Loki. Okay, but nonetheless, Gamora Prime. Okay, and then the other items that you saw. Okay, so War Star. This is one of the 2 remaining rares I don't have in the Empire set. Okay, so 75 points. So finally have him. Okay, so I'm super happy. Anytime I am able to add a new piece to my collection. Okay, so thank you KL for selling it to me for cheap. Okay, and then this is the price that I got from the latest tournament. Okay, so a legacy card sealed. So who do you think would be? This is a War of the Realms legacy card. And let's take a look. Okay. We want the Chariot, but this seemed to be a teen card. So most likely one of the, a single base character. So not really as interested, but it can be for trade or for sale. Okay. So we want to see perhaps Thor and Loki. So it's Fandral. Okay, I don't have this piece, but yeah, we'll try to trade him for some that would need the Warrior 3. Ooh. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much. And again, have a happy Palm Sunday, everyone. Keep safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.